Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel 7 Pro to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both. Then tap on the search bar and type in Send Anywhere. Following that, you need to get this free app from this developer and open it. Now on Google Pixel, choose Allow or Don't Allow in Notifications pop-up, and then tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now open it on an Android and click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow as well. Now select Receive on your Android over here at the bottom and Send at the bottom left corner of your Google. Following that, tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories, and when you're ready, click on Send here. This way you will select all of them and then send them. It will take some time though, so I will go with only one photo. Click on Send and tap on Got it. Now on an Android, click on one of those options and then select Close this window. Now we have two ways to connect. We can input this key here and then connect using Receive button, or we can scan this QR code. If you wish to scan it, select the scanning icon over here. Then choose while using the app or only this time and point your device's camera at the QR code. Then after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!